you want to turn a macrame leaf into a macrame vine, then you have to stay tuned to see how that is done. Hey everyone, it's Nicole here and welcome to BOCHIKNOT Macrame. This is the channel where you'll find all things macrame related, from DIY pattern tutorials, helpful tips and tricks videos, and knots and knot pattern tutorials. If you're interested in learning more macrame, make sure you hit that subscribe button and then also give this video a big thumbs up. In this tutorial, we will be going over how to take a single leaf pattern and we're going to repeat it into a vine leaf pattern. So essentially, we're turning one knot pattern and making it a sennit. And where you would use a sennit pattern like this is through a plant hanger post, a layer in a wall hanging, a keychain, or a handbag strap, just to name a few. I would say this pattern is more of an advanced beginner pattern. The only tricky part is that we make a lot of double half hitch knots. So if you don't know how to make the double half hitch knot well, then this knot pattern should be able to help you get better at it. If you're a beginner and you want to learn more knots and knot patterns, we do have a free 50 knots and sennits ebook for download over at BOCHIKNOT.com. So if you're interested, check it out there. And with that said, let's get right into it. To demonstrate this pattern, I've attached 3 strands of cord at 200 centimeters long onto the dowel with lark's head knots. To make our very first leaf pattern, we're going to start with the middle 2 cords, bring the left one underneath and to the right, because that's going to be the working cord, and then the middle right cord to the left as the anchor cord for a diagonal double half hitch knot to the left. Then continue with the far left 2 cords one at a time onto the same anchor cord with another 2 diagonal double half hitch knots to the left. Now with the middle right cord as an anchor cord, we're going to make 2 diagonal double half hitch knots to the right. What we're trying to do here essentially is make several rows of diagonal rows of double half hitch knots, and then at the end we will connect both sides together to form a leaf. Now we're going to use the middle left cord as an anchor cord for 2 diagonal double half hitch knots to the left. And then we're going to repeat the same thing on the right side. Now underneath, repeat for 1 more row of diagonal double half hitch knots again. To close off this first leaf pattern, we're going to take the far left and far right cords in the middle for 1 more diagonal double half hitch knot to the left. We're going to pull on these cords tightly so that the ends of both the far left and far right sides meet in the middle. And we have now completed our first leaf pattern. Now to start our second one directly underneath, we're going to separate out the cords on both sides, ensuring that the top two cords from the back are in the middle. We're going to start with those top cords first. So taking the same anchor cord on the left, we're going to take that middle left cord from the back and attach it onto the anchor cord with a diagonal double half hitch knot to the left. Then take the next cord down and make another diagonal double half hitch knot to the left. Repeat the same thing on the right side. Now you can finish off the rest of this leaf pattern similar to how we had made the first one above. And now I'm going to add one more leaf pattern underneath. Continue this pattern for as long as you'd like to reach your desired length. And that's a wrap with our vine leaf pattern tutorial. What do you guys think of it? Let me know in the comment section below. If you guys like this style of knot patterns with vines and leaves, we do have some other vine leaf patterns available on YouTube here, but then we also have some more intricate and advanced ones over on our BOCHIKNOT Macrame community on Patreon. If you're looking to create your own vine leaf knot patterns, we do help guide you through that over there. So if you guys are interested in finding out more, you can head on over to patreon.com/BOCHIKNOT for more details. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.